An intruder! Position B at Westgate I. The security corps are rushing to the site.
The Hidden Leaf Village. At the cost of our people's lives, this foolish village thrives in what seems prosperity.
Pain.
Yes. We will launch the operation now. Scatter. I will teach you my pain and the despairing nature of the world. Know pain and be enlightened.
Mission start.
Catastrophic planetary devastation!
No pain. All right. Let us begin. Hand over the nine-tailed Jinchuriki. That will end this turmoil.
Stop talking nonsense.
You are making a fool of yourself.
Catastrophic planetary devastation!
No pain. I will bring the Leaf Ninja to justice. Receive your judgment.
Almighty close!
Compared to my pain, your pain is nothing.
It can't be! Universal pull!
Receive your judgment. I will teach the Leaf Ninja what pain is. If you value your life, answer my question.
All the Leaf Ninja are ready to sacrifice ourselves.
How wasteful. Tell me where the nine-tailed Jinchuriki is. The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. I will drag him out.
Catastrophic planetary devastation!
No pain. Tell me where the nine-tailed Jinchuriki is. Tell me, where is the nine-tailed Jinchuriki?
Planetary devastation!
No pain.
Jinchuriki? Even if I knew, I wouldn't tell you.
Very well. You're of no use then.
Catastrophic planetary devastation!
No pain! Compared to my pain, your pain is nothing. The nine-tailed Jinchuriki. I will drag him out.
Catastrophic planetary devastation!
No pain! I will teach the lead. No one has talked so far. Well, the next thing to do is ask them.
You are Pain!
You know my name. I commend you on your intelligence gathering. My turn now. Tell me where the nine-tailed Jinchuriki is.
There's no way I'd tell you.
As I expected, you are stubborn. But once you know fear, you'll lose your resolve.
Receive your judgment.
Compared to my pain, your pain is nothing.
Judgment. Almighty push! Almighty push!
So naive and foolish.
Receive your judgment. Universal pull!
I will bring the Leaf Ninja to justice.
Universal pull!
He's strong. Lord Jiraiya fought this guy.
Now you know the difference between you and me. Where is the nine-tailed Jinchuriki?
I have no intention of telling you anything.
I see. Then we have to get rid of you.
So they keep us busy by wreaking havoc while the others hunt in the shadows. Let me handle this. Hurry!
Good luck, Kakashi.
Well, shall we begin?
The copy ninja Kakashi Hatake. It is an honor to meet you. Tell me, where is the Nine Tails?
That's a silly question. I can't believe Lord Jiraiya took on 6 of them at once. That's crazy.
Lightning Beast running jutsu! What? Universal pull!
Compared to my pain, your pain is nothing. Are you going to oppose the divine? Fine.
Another one appears.
How about that? Lightning blade!
Know how powerless you are.
Die! Universal pull! Die! Receive your judgment. How about that?
I will bring the Leaf Ninja to justice.
You won't get away! Catastrophic planetary devastation!
No pain! You're all so naive and foolish. You've got me in a tight corner. I give you credit for that.
Mission complete.
He's a lot stronger than any other opponent.
Your power is nothing against a god. Almighty push!
Ah!
I will give you credit. You're a fairly skilled ninja. But you can never stop my pain.